Okay, I can't really spin because I have on tennis shoes. But hey, family, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be slightly different than, well, not really, because it's a try-on haul. It's a try-on haul, but it's a different kind of try-on haul. This is going to be all workout clothes. Okay? Okay. Now, y'all already know I have been talking about getting in shape, utilizing my gym because I pay for it every month. And now, since I have been gifted these beautiful pieces, I feel like, you know what I'm saying? When you look good going into the gym, you feel good. Even if you don't even know what the hell you're doing. You'll feel good going into the gym looking cute, right? So, I'm going to try on 5 different outfits for you guys. And let me just tell you the name of the company. I'm going to put it across the screen because I really don't know how to pronounce it. But I will say each outfit came packaged in this plastic wrap here or baggie here that zips up. And it does have their company name right there on the plastic. And you get one of these little cards with every outfit that you order. And it tells you pretty much what you need to know. How to be a queen. How you can get free items. If you want to collab with them. Just different stuff. So a pamphlet of information. Again, I'm going to try on 5 different outfits that I chose. To put myself out there to let you know. Honey, listen. Ladies, get into it. These outfits are so cute. The outfit that I actually have on is going to be the last outfit you see in the actual try-on haul. This happens to be my fave. I'll give you all the deets on the other videos. Follow me on Instagram, which I will also put down here so that you can see my pictures that I take in these cute outfits. I hope you enjoyed this video. There will be a link down below. It's an affiliate link. Hey, I don't do those often. But hey, when a sister can make some coins, if you click on it, she gonna do it. So there will be an affiliate link down below and also a 10% off code or link that you can use in case you want to purchase some workout stuff. Sometimes coming. Get into it. Get into it. Let's get into this video, honey. Because she feel like she about to go do some what? Squats, honey, at the gym. Who about to be lifting weights? Who? Huh. Okay, enjoy the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all. Okay, so here's what I love about this particular workout gear. First of all, the material on this outfit is thick. Not scuba diver thick, but workout thick. It does have padding if you need that extra support. The band around it fits comfortably around so it doesn't gouge into your, see how flat it lays. The bottoms, I don't know if you can see that, the bottoms are high-waisted, so if you do have a little bit of package here, it kind of flattens you out a little bit. Kind of flattens you out. And this is what the back looks like. You do not have to get it in like the half shirt if you're uncomfortable with showing your midsection. They do come with longer tanks. Let me show you the bottom. What it looks like down below. This is the bottom, and I just have it on with a pair of Nikes. You can squat. Oh, wait, that's the wrong squat. Hold up. Squat. Nothing rises up. Nothing rises a good squat, okay? This is what I'm talking about. They have their logo here on the front. And again, it comes here. The band is thick enough that, again, it's not cutting into your skin, giving you that muffin top. It just lays flat across your body. Like so. And let me show you this one more time. Gives you a little bit of cleavage too. Okay. Hey. She about to go to the gym. She going to work out. Okay. So outfit number 2. This one is in the same style, but blue. Same exact style. Only this one is in blue. And I did get makeup on it, unfortunately. But this is how it looks. Let me pull that down for you. This is how this one looks. Super cute. Super, super cute. Fits. Makes you feel good about working out. That's what I like about it. Makes you feel like you're already in shape a little bit. Hey, hey, hey. Ah, this is really cute. I love the thickness. I love the material. I love that I don't feel self-conscious, even with my stomach out. That definitely needs some work, but it makes me feel like I've already been in the gym, getting it in, you know? So this was perfect for me because I am about to start a full-on workout in the gym. Outfit number 3. This one fits a little different at the top. To be honest with you, I think I might have the top on wrong. I ain't sure, but I probably need to look at the site. But it's still so stinking cute. Let me show you the bottoms of them. Still gives you that, you know, I've been working out for a while look. Okay. Makeup, sorry. Again, padding. And you can adjust the padding. Like just move the padding around to where you need it to fit you more comfortably. And this is this one. This color is like I don't know if it's coming off. It probably looks gray to you, but it's more of like a mint green in the family of greens. I'm not sure what color you're getting it. And I hate that I got that makeup on there. Next outfit. Let the gym begin, honey. Okay, okay. Okay, so I went with something a little bit different. Still in the gray family, but they're shorts, like biker shorts. Let me give you an up close what they look like. So they have like a meshy, it's not actually mesh, it's just more of a design like polka dots through there. Again, it's a crop top type situation. You can squat, feel comfortable that nothing is going any place. It doesn't cut into your leg to make it look like, you know, biscuits are popping out or whatever. Again, also I meant to mention on the sides here, there's a little pocket. You see that? That's where the padding is. So if you need to adjust, again, makeup on my shirt. Oh my God. You can adjust the padding to fit your bosom however you need to. So this is the biker short kind. Yeah. Who about to go work out? Her. She is. And it's so comfortable. Nothing is moving. So you don't have to feel like you're constantly having to, you don't have to do that. Everything is staying where it needs to be. Let's go do some squats. Let's go do some squats. Hey. Hey. This is probably my most favorite one out of all of them, just because of the design, the crop topness. I love this one. It's my favorite. Oh, 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 oh. Mm, mm, mm. Ah. Okay, family, I hope you guys enjoyed the fitness try-on haul. Again, check down in the description down below for the affiliate link in case you click on that link. I'll get a couple coins or whatever if you decide to purchase any one of these beautiful outfits. Also, there is a 10% code down there. All the information that I can't remember right off the top of my head will be down in the description bar. So make sure you check down there. Again, I am about to go to the gym and actually take some photos of me wearing these really, really cute, comfy outfits. Shout out to the company for sending them to me. I am very, very pleased. I love them. They make me feel like I have already been working out. So again, I will catch you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Show this video some love by giving it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do so because you are missing out. And she got to go to the gym because why? She about to go work out. See you in the next video. Bye.